Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTGM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time, but it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out, in this case, a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was yesterday, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very solid, price movement, which does bring up the logical question, though, of is there any sort of genuine power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to better illustrate this, I want to scrunch up the chart here a tad. There we go. And this key level going forward is down here at, what is that? $1.83. Why is $1.83 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.83. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, pulls back and then behaves in this manner. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you look at these as stair steps, well, now you have overall stair steps heading in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. You want to see prices making progress forward. And in this situation, I am quantifying and defining that statement, making progress forward, as $1.83. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, seems to be the sellers are hanging up right around the $2.15 mark, give or take. I realize the price went above it a couple times, a couple other times didn't quite hit it, but I think we'd all agree that generally speaking, the main point of price congestion at this point in time is, right up there around that 215 mark. But anyway, slice it. Very nice move today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.